Zybio has launched the latest MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry solution.
EXS 2600
Owns high-quality hardware, user-friendly software, and comprehensive strains database. Combined with 3 factors, it greatly improves identification accuracy. One step to move target in for detection. It takes you 15 minutes to complete 96 samples test in one plate. Aerospace-grade materials in sports parts ensures the precision of sampling. Unique dust-free design of integrated circuit reduces failure rate. High-precision delayed extraction technology greatly improves resolution and sensitivity. Ion repulsion technology eliminates the interference of impurity ions and improves the lifespan of ion detector. Zybio could provide 2 rich microbial databases, clinical database and scientific research database to ensure the accuracy of identification results. The database has covered mycobacteria, filamentous fungi, anaerobic bacteria, nocardia, legionella, and etc. The advanced software algorithm is greatly optimized for both identification speed and operation convenience. Combined with cluster analysis function, the system shows excellent performance for routine microbe identification, as well as some difficult to identify bacteria. Intuitive interface of software synchronously displays identification result and morphological reference. In addition, the scientific research, homology analysis, etc. are available. MALDI-TOF MS System has been widely used in clinical departments, CDCs, customs inspection, and other fields.
EXS 2600
Mass Spectrometry System, a convenient and rapid identification tool for microbiology labs.